Good morning everyone, welcome to DMT, and this morning I'm going to be doing the Charlbury TT, which is in Oxfordshire. It's an anti-clockwise route, but I'm going to be doing it clockwise because I'm going to be joining it at Buckingham. And as you can hear, I've just stopped off on the way to the start point at Silverstone. So there's some racing going on. You'll hear the vehicles going round at the moment. Yeah, so it's a lovely day. It's the end of March. It's about 13 degrees. It's a perfect biker's day for doing some touring. I'm going to stop off at Waddesdon Manor, which is where the Netflix Cinderella series, or I'm not sure if it's a series or a film, but I do believe they did some filming there, so I booked a ticket, so I'm going to have a quick look around there on the way round. But I did this loop a couple of weeks ago with a friend of mine, and I thought it was so good, I'll come back and do it again myself on my own. Let's get into it. And here we go, I'm just entering Buckingham here. That's a nice little entrance as you come into Buckingham. See what the plaque says, put my indicator on, see what it says here. So it's, oh, that's Roman numerals MCMXX1V. Somebody could probably decipher it and put a comment on as to what that means. Okay, yeah, so I'm none the wiser. But let's start the route. Okay, as I say, I'm starting from Buckingham. Just not far from here is the Haddenham Rothschild estate, which is run by the National Trust. The Rothschilds are German bankers. That's where they got their wealth from, and it's been obviously gone through the family. And I believe it's right here. There is a little there's a little castle sort of entrance down there. See it just there, look, with the flag on the top. So let's go and have a look and see what it looks like. Well, here we are, the entrance to Waddesdon Manor, and this estate is so huge that you have to park. The parking's free, but then you get a little shuttle bus to the actual chateau. I can park it on the end here, that'd be perfect for me. So I'm just going to have a quick look round, jump back on the bike and get going on the loop again. Morning. Morning. So I've just got off the shuttle bus at Haddenham Chateau, so I'm just going to have a quick walk round, have a look at the gardens. But what an impressive structure. So that was Haddenham Chateau. There's a big pothole there on that bend, which was a bit... I'd already lined the bike up. And here's the ramp. Oh. I recognise that one from when I came last week. Just coming into Borstal now. So what a day, lovely day. Weather's 17 degrees now. These B roads are lovely. There's a lot of B roads on this route. The road conditions are, yeah, they're okay. There's the odd pothole here and there, but it's like any road in the UK at the minute. Just have to keep your eyes peeled and avoid them. And there's a Chinook helicopter on my left. So that's a troop transporter RAF Chinook helicopter, twin rotor. Just going into the sun, so you probably won't be able to see it, but yeah. So just coming through Islip now, one of the little villages on the Charlbury TT Loop. I think this is the place where me and my friend stopped for a coffee on the way. It's a pub with a sports bar. Nice to sit in the garden on a day like this. I think that's it there. Yeah, the Red Lion. So you go in the car park there, and there's a sports bar around the back. Down Horseshoe Lane, across a wee river. Oh, lovely place to live here, very nice. And this is where we cross the A44 to Evesham, and then we cross here and then take a left onto the B437 to Charlbury, because it is the Charlbury Loop. So this is the road that takes us to Charlbury, and it's 5 miles to Charlbury from here. So this is Charlbury, just going through the town centre, and I might stop for a quick cup of coffee. I'm just going to see whether I can get a quick coffee here. So just coming out of Charlbury now. Of course, Charlbury is the name of this route, the Charlbury TT. I think it's about 104 miles. But yeah, very nice. I think I'd give this one about a 7, just by pure virtue of the fact of some of the roads and the variation in the roads, and it's got a lot of nice bends and twists and some nice little villages you can stop and have a break, and the scenery. Yeah, and obviously it's a lovely day today. So yeah, very nice. This is Chipping Norton. Cafe over there, Jaff and Neil Caff. And there's the Mighty Pie Company over there. Mighty Pie Company, a pie and a coffee. Old sweet shop, Blue Boar pub. Yeah, so some nice little convenient sort of refreshment places to have a stop in Chipping Norton. Adjust my route now to go back off up to the Midlands to Leicester, but this has been a really nice ride. I really enjoyed it. It's probably one of my favourite ones for the variety of roads and just getting away from the main traffic on the B roads. I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it if you can subscribe, and it will support the channel. That's fantastic. Thank you.